Standard 9th, Chapter 9, Areas of Parallelograms and Triangles. In Chapter 5, you have seen that study of geometry originated with the measurement of earth in the process of recasting boundaries of the fields and dividing them into appropriate parts. Now, you may recall that part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a planar region corresponding to that figure. The measure of this plane figure is also called its area. We are also familiar with the concept of congruent figures from the earlier classes and from chapter 7. Two figures you can see in the picture A and B are called congruents if they have same shape and the same size. In other words, if two figures A and B are congruent, then by using a tracing paper you can superpose one figure over the other such that it will cover the other completely. So if two figures A and B are congruent, they must have equal areas. However, the converse of this statement is not true. In other words, two figures having equal areas need not be congruent. For example, in figure 9.2, rectangles ABCD and EFGH have equal areas, but clearly they are not congruent. You may observe that planar region formed by figure T is made of two planar regions formed by figures P and Q. You can easily see that areas of figure T is equal to area of figure P plus area of figure Q. First, if A and B are two congruent figures, then area A is equal to area B. Second, if a planar region formed by a figure T is made by two non-overlapping planar region formed by figures P and Q, then area T is equal to area P plus area Q. Now let us see the main points. Areas of plane figures. Two congruent figures have equal areas. Two congruent figures have same areas. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into four triangles of equal area. Also remember the other point. The part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a planar region. The measure of a planar region is called its area. Two figures are also called congruent if they have same shape and same size. If two plane figures are congruent, they have equal areas. Two plane figures having equal areas need not be congruent. Same points are summarized. Now, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Two figures are said to be on the same base. Base is same and between the same parallels if they have a common base and vertices opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line parallel to the base. Now let us go to the next page. Here we say that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels. Let us recall that a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. In case of a parallelogram, any side can be called its base. Please take note, any side can be called its base. Now here in the figure, ABCD. AB is the base, BC can also be CD or AD. Whereas the length of the line segment which is perpendicular making 90 degree to the base from the opposite side is called altitude. For example, in this figure, if the base you are taking AB, then DP is the altitude. If you are taking BC, then DQ. Or height of the parallelogram corresponding to the given base. In the figure, first one, DP is the altitude of parallelogram ABCD corresponding to the base AB. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. DQ is the altitude of parallelogram ABCD corresponding to the base BC. Please see in the figure. BR is the altitude of parallelogram ABCD corresponding to the base AD. CS is the altitude of parallelogram ABCD corresponding to the base AB. Now we go to theorem 9.1, which is very easy and very important. Parallelograms on the same base or equal base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Let us start. See the figure. ABCD is one parallelogram. Another one you can take ABEF. Okay. Let us have two parallelograms. Please see the figure. ABCD. Mark this, ABCD, and second one is ABEF. Are on the same base AB. See, they are on the same base AB. Okay. And between the same parallels, which are the parallels? AB and FC. Once again, there are two parallelograms, ABCD, ABEF, between AB and FC, and same base, common base is AB. Let us start. In triangle ADF and triangle BCE, AD is equal to BC. First point, AD is equal to BC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now AF is equal to BE. AF is equal to BE. Same reason, opposite sides of parallelogram. So opposite angles are also same. Angle DAEF is equal to angle CBE. Following or not? Since AD is parallel to BC, AF parallel to BE, triangle ADF is equal congruent to triangle BCE. Triangle ADF is congruent to triangle BCE. Okay. But two congruent triangles are equal in area. So both the areas are same. Adding area ABED to both the sides, we get area of triangle ADF plus area ABED is equal to area of BCE plus area of ABED. So area of parallelogram ABEF is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Please do it again. Draw the figure, write down given to prove that, and prove it. Now we go to the next page. Area of parallelogram is the product of its any side and the corresponding altitude. For example, area of ABCD if I want to find out. So ABCD area is equal to AB into DP. Parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Parallelograms on the same base and having equal areas lie between the same parallels. Is it clear to everyone? Now we go to the next point. Points you have to remember. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. First, area of triangle is half the product of any side, that is base, and corresponding altitude. Triangles having the same base and lying between the same parallels are equal in area. Okay. Theorem. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Proof. Let us have triangle ABC. Please see in the figure. ABC and triangle DBC. And the common base is what? BC. And they lie between which parallels? BC and AD. Okay. Let us draw BE, extend it parallel to CA and CF parallel to BD to meet DA produced in E and F respectively. Now BE is parallel to CA construction. So DA is parallel to BC. EA parallel BC. BCAE is a parallelogram. Similarly, BCFD is a parallelogram. So area of parallelogram BCAE is equal to area of parallelogram BCFD. Since a diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area, area of triangle ABCD is half of parallelogram BCAE. And area of triangle DBC is equal to half area of parallelogram BCFD. So area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. The triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Now we go to the next page. Theorem 9.1 I have already explained to you. Now the last part, that is the summary. Summary is very important, revising all the points again. So the first point says that area of a figure is a number associated with the part of the plane enclosed by that figure. Okay, two congruent figures have equal areas, but the converse need not be true. If a planar area formed by a figure T is made up of two non-overlapping planar regions formed by figures P and Q, then area T is equal to area P plus area Q. This is just a revision of it. Whereas X denotes the area of figure X. Two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if they have a common base and the vertices opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line parallel to the base. Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Area of a parallelogram is the product of its base and corresponding altitude. Parallelograms on the same base and having equal areas lie between the same parallels. If a parallelogram is a triangle and a triangle are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of the triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. 10th, area of triangle is half the product of its base, half into B into H. Triangles on the same base having equal areas lie on the same parallels. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Thank you. Please revise them again.